Hello everyone, today I will show you the fastest way to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel. First, go to your HighLevel account. Once inside, click on the Settings tab in the lower left corner. Then, click the My Profile. Scroll down until you see Integration section. You'll see a list of platforms you can connect and look for Zoom. If you can't see Zoom, you can go to the Video Conferencing option under the Calendar settings. Click on it, then click Add Service. After that, you'll see a list of platforms you can connect. Look for Zoom and click Connect beside Zoom. A new window will pop up. Just authorize the connection by clicking Allow. Once connected, GoHighLevel will show a confirmation. Take note that this feature is only available for premium subscribers. If this video helped, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for more easy automation tips.